Okay, so now we're gonna deliver the second batch of mental wellness care packs that have been sponsored for those who need it, those who intend to take care of their mental health. Yun, magdi-deliver na tayo ngayon ng mental wellness care pack. Well, yung isa kahapon na deliver ko na. Sa akin.
My loving sponsor, to my loving sponsor, Ate Monica Montemayor, thank you so much. I really need this for not just for my mental health, but for the mental health of a lot of people I know, and it would really help us all. And thank you so much for sponsoring us this abundantly with all the graces and blessings that you need in your family as well. Amen.
So ngayon, ang i-deliver ko ay yung isa pa. Bale, 3 yung recipient. Nasira na yung pag-andar yung kanyang tali.
Ganda naman ito. I choose how to respond to setbacks.
Oo. Ano mo yan? Ikabit mo yan sa wall mo. Courtesy of ano yan? Mama PH.
Mama PH.
Oo.
Yan. Please cherish this gift from your sponsor, Kuya Jake Santos and Ate Olive Buela, by using it daily in caring for your mental health and overall well-being. So pray for your sponsors too. True, just be. Thank you Kuya Jake Santos and Ate Olive Buela. Thank you po. Yan, talaga ano to.
Nilab niya na.
Thank you po. Wow.
Okay. So, dalawang pack na yung deliver. Sana lang, bukas naman. So, ngayon, i-deliver ko na yung last na mental wellness care pack. There. Para sa second batch of sponsorship. Okay. Ito na yung ano eh. Later. Okay, so ito na po ang huling mental wellness care pack ng batch 2 ng sponsorships. At ito na po ang tumanggap.
Hello po. I really to say na thank you po sa nag-sponsor kay Ma'am Rovina and Sir Mark. And na-aspirate ko po itong gift na to, and also magagamit ko rin po ito sa pag-araw-araw ko, and also pag may mga problem. And thank you dahil sobrang malaking pasalamat ko po ito sa mga pinigay niyo po sa akin. And naway papalain po kayo ng Diyos, and God, ano po, ayun lang po.
Pag-iiba yan per pack para maano mo lahat. Nabasa mo lahat ng stories, tapos try mo lahat ng journal kasi lahat sila cute.
Apo.
Ayan, merchandise. May inspire ka dyan sa libro na yan.
Opo.
Kasi malapit ng mag-World Youth Day.
Yes.
Tapos yung kwento na yan, tungkol sa isang taong mahirap. Pero despite nun, ilang beses siya nakapag-World Youth Day.
Wow. Ayan. Thank you po.